Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the first human to be rated PG by the MPAA, Valvo. And today, with parental guidance, I'm bringing you subtraction of positive and negative numbers. Now, last video we talked about adding positive and negative numbers. In this video, I ask, what's the difference? Now, we already know that positive and negative numbers are opposites, and we know that addition and subtraction are opposites. So I wonder if there's any way we could take advantage of both of those facts. There is. Even though they look different, there is no actual major difference between adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. Subtracting is equivalent to just adding the additive inverse, where the additive inverse is just a fancy term for what we've been calling the opposite of a number. So for example, the additive inverse of 12 is negative 12.